Friday, the NASDAQ did a piercing signal, opened below any of the previous day's trading, and closed more than halfway up the previous candle body. This is one of the 12 major signals of candlestick analysis. Note that even though it opened lower today, they eventually started confirming the piercing signal of Friday. This makes our analysis much easier to understand or anticipate that we might be in an uptrend, at least coming back up to test this little downtrending resistance level to see whether we're in a wedge formation or whether we're in a J-hook pattern ready to break out to the upside. The identification of a candlestick signal in the Dow, even though the Dow traded or closed lower on Friday, you can see what happened. It opened here and they closed it up here, which told you immediately that even though the market was down, there was buying going on during the day because they were trading above where they opened. Today's positive trading now creates a morning star signal. Makes this a very simple analysis. If they open positive and come up through the T-line, our morning star signal is indicating that we're in a bullish trend channel. If it opens lower and starts trading lower, telling us our morning star signal has failed, which there's a possibility of that because note where our stochastics are. We're not anywhere near the oversold area yet. So we can identify which direction to be trading tomorrow based upon what happens in the Dow right here at the T-line area. The overall trend of the market can still be assessed based upon some of the major stocks like Netflix that during the uptrend, notice what it did during the pullback of last week. It just moves sideways. Friday it did a big left-right combo, a bullish engulfing signal after a doji. Bullish trading from there today was good confirmation that they weren't going to close below the T-line. You could stay long. Now, you can use that assessment as a trade for trading Netflix or assessing what the overall market was doing, that there wasn't rampant selling going on in the market last week. And a major advantage of knowing what the signals tell us, as in SAAXN, the kicker signal, breakout, told us there was strong buying. So even when the market was selling off last week, we were making good profits on this trade because of the kicker signal. Remember, these signals have been around for hundreds of years. All they are is the graphic depiction of what's happening in investor sentiment, and the Japanese rice traders have illustrated which ones are the strongest based upon a major change of investor sentiment. The T-line and the candlestick signals, a morning star signal in square, followed by a doji sandwich. What's the implication? There's more upside. How long do you hold these positions? Well, note how it couldn't close below the T-line. Today, a big breakout through the resistance level. So even though it didn't move up a lot during the uptrend, it told us that the bears weren't taking control of this position. We could get ready that on the next buying, we'd make some good profits. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.